This video was created by Danny Kessler, Associate Professor and Korea's first PhD in wellness tourism. Notice that tightness in your chest, the shallow breathing, the endless, grinding tension trapped in your shoulders. We often treat these symptoms as psychological, something to be meditated away. But trying to fix this entirely in your mind is like trying to patch a hardware malfunction with a software update. It fails to address the physical tension locked into your body. Modern anxiety starts as a mechanical failure within your physical posture. Our ancestors faced acute physical threats. Today, our stressors are digital abstractions: a glowing notification badge, a passive-aggressive email, a fluctuating market indicator. These abstract symbols engage your ancient survival architecture. Within milliseconds, your brain floods your bloodstream with a concentrated dose of adrenaline and cortisol. This creates the abstraction trap. Your nervous system perceives a life or death threat, yet your body remains motionless, staring at a screen. This diagram shows the consequence: kinetic discharge failure. That explosive surge of survival energy remains trapped inside your physiology, vibrating at a high frequency without a mechanism for physical release. The dissonance between your nervous system's urge to act and your physical inability to move creates a measurable biological friction. This internal friction is the inevitable result of a high-performance engine revving to maximum RPM while both feet remain anchored on the brakes. To understand how deeply this affects you, we have to look past the macro environment of your workspace and examine the structural framework of your cells. Mechanotransduction is the specific process where physical structure dictates biochemical reality. This diagram illustrates a collapsed posture. Sitting hunched for prolonged durations, rounding your shoulders and collapsing your chest cavity, physically deforms your cellular matrix. In biology, shape dictates function. The cells compress, sending jagged distress signals into your genetic architecture. Your body responds to these signals by upregulating defensive, inflammatory, and stress-related protein expressions to match the structural input. By compressing your diaphragm and your chest, you are structurally commanding your hardware to manufacture the chemistry of fear. You are telling your body that it is currently under physical attack. Your mental state is downstream of your physical structure. This cyclical flowchart maps the danger. Engineered danger signals from your compressed chest travel up the vagus nerve, processing as cognitive anxiety. And your brain's instinctual reaction? It drives your body to compress further forward, protecting vital organs. You lock the loop. Because the root deficit is physical, the intervention must be structural. To break this self-sustaining cycle, you must apply a direct mechanical intervention. You must physically reclaim your alignment. Pull your scapula back, expand your respiratory capacity to force a signal of safety back to the vagus nerve. This is the neurological override. You are forcing your brain out of its engineered anxiety state by deliberately expanding your physical footprint in space. Do not let your desk dictate your biology. When you change the physical structure, the biochemistry follows. This video was created by Danny Kessler, Associate Professor and Korea's first PhD in wellness tourism.